DroneX Pro Limitless 4. Battery capacity of 5,000 mAh, this drone is bound to last you for a few long flight sessions. Its obstacle avoidance, follow me, and return home features also make it easier for professionals to focus on flight time rather than how their drone is faring. The return home feature, specifically, comes with a variety of functions. You can call it back with the press of a button, but also, it can recognize that the battery is too low to keep on flying and return home on its own. The same thing happens when you start to lose signal. Thanks to features like 5G signal, you can get some great footage regardless of how mountainous or remote your location is. The DroneX Pro Limitless 4 also comes with a function called Super Stabilization. But such strong stabilization can only be improved by a longer Wi-Fi range. Unlike its competitors, the DroneX